number 5, Ernel Mertola and Yuan Mertola versus TJ Reyes and Geraldine Marie Bravo. Court number 5, please.
All players, participants, we will be having our raffle in a few minutes. So once your name is called, please proceed to match control to claim your prizes. Once again, we will be having our raffle in a few minutes, and you may claim your prize if your name is called. Thank you.
Nakaiza na. Nice one. Oo, ngayon lang nanalo. Dapat sigawan ng sisig eh. Sisig! Sisig!
At the first game namin, kung kami naman mas nahabol pa. Ano pa? Hindi na, pwede hindi na yun.
Buti na ano kayo. Focus lang pala eh. Nangalo, laging nakapadel down.
On court number 1, John Pineda and Carmela Pineda versus Patrick Sibug and Jean Fabian. Court 1, John Pineda and Carmela Pineda versus Patrick Sibug and Jean Fabian. Court 4, Jenny Madatu and Jessie Dakay versus Angelo Rivera and Kathleen Gomez. Court 4, Jenny Madatu and Jessie Dakay versus Angelo Rivera and Kathleen Gomez.
Oo, kasi andyan na sa iyo. Yun din yung nila yung sa akin, kaya na-out kasi gusto kong tirahin. Kasi lumipad, di ba?
Lumipad ka rin yung
Oo. Baso lang, na-out.
excited.
Na-excited na.
Yun ang mga nagpapagawa ba?
Galing. Galing nyo. Pero ang ganda ng feeling niya. Pag sumali sa tournament.
Nakaka-excite.
Oo, na.
When you look forward ka, malay mo ba?
Ha?
When you look forward ka sa tournament, malay mo makapul.
Kaya, tuloy lang. Ay! In. Ay, in. Parang in.
Parang kaya naman.
Kaya. Sakto lang yung ano.
May malo kayo eh, nakaputi ito yung nakalaban niya.
Yung ano?
Kanina, yung nakaputi yung nakabracket niya.
Ano na?
Ano panalo?
Nakaisi.
Lamang sila nung una, 3-0. Siya yung nag-goal. Kaya lang mag-isa yung Malapit ako na mag-serve net.
Kasi hindi ka na niya pinapansin eh. Oh, dapat mabilis yung kamay niya pag dito. Pasok sa Oo. Pero nung dito na, bilis ka balik niya. Kita niyo walang tapos na. Kaya sabi ko, focus mo. Pero
Magaling na mga kalaban,
lang yung ano, sakto lang yung mga kalaban. Patingin na sila, sir, bago kanina.
Panalo.
Yung kalaban nila. Nauna na silang 10 eh. Una na rin sila, ganito sila kanina.
Ang mahirap talaga pag punta ka pantik eh.
Oo.
Nakapantik na naman ako doon.
Nawal. Nawal. Hindi ka na nga pinansin naman yung church ka. Sabi rin ni BJ. Ay. Naglalaro ba? Oh! Ay. Nice one! Nice one! Wala ko siya nakakamila. Nice. Ow! Sayang!
On court number 8, Reginald Chong and Angelica Ong versus Nico Klitz and Jerica Figueres. Court 8, Reginald Chong and Angelica Ong versus Nico Klitz and Jerica Figueres.
Calling the attention of all players in the intermediate women's doubles and intermediate men's doubles, please register and log your name sa registration table. Once again, players of the intermediate women's doubles and intermediate men's doubles, if you have not yet registered, please do. Register sa registration table. Thank you. We will be announcing the raffle winners in a short while. But before that, we would like to call on and thank our sponsors for the first Pampanga Paddle Aces Cup 2026. Sage Match Control Experts, North Winter Apparel, Takora Pro Pickleball, TCG, Pickleball Central PH Pampanga, Mayfoods, King Courts Pickleball, Dotimas Woodworks, Courtside Essentials PH, Sky Manor, Destino Private Billiard, Luminix Skin Essentials, PLDT Clark Bell, Bing Bong Liga, Justin Flores, Michelle De La Cruz, Mula, Johnny's Supermarket, Label, Luto ng Ina, Lisa Thai Kitchen, Stretch Lab, Pamana, Aquaplay, Pukari, Angeles Pickleball Center, Happy Nails, Nards Air Conditioning, and SMDC.
On court number 9, John Glenn Kagampang and Shane Kabigting versus Mercedes Del Rosario and John Paulo Hipolito. Court 9, John Glenn Kagampang and Shane Kabigting versus Mercedes Del Rosario and John Paulo Hipolito.
Calling the attention of the following player, please proceed to match control. Patrick Garcia and Austin Tunana. Patrick Garcia, Austin Tunana, please proceed to match control. We will now proceed to the awarding of podium finishers in the novice women's doubles event.
Yung naka-black.
Once again, we would like to call on the podium finishers for the novice Women's Doubles. Jenny Joy Madado and Cecily Kate Santiago, Marjorie Romualdo and Jerica Leslie Figueres, and Luis Rutao and Bel Laza. Once again, calling the attention of the podium finishers of the novice women's doubles. Jenny Joy Magato, Cecily Kate Santiago, Marjorie Romualdo, Jerica Leslie Figueres, Luis Rutao, Bel Laza. Please proceed to the podium. We'll now proceed to the awarding of our podium finishers for the novice women's double. In second runner-up, bronze medalist for the novice women's doubles. Congratulations, Jenny Joy Madado and Cecily Kate Santiago. Congratulations! Our first runner-up, silver medalist for the novice women's doubles, Marjorie Romualdo and Jerica Leslie Figueres. Congratulations! And for our champions, our gold medalist for the novice women's doubles, congratulations, Luis Rutao and Bel Laza.